For a travel trailer named Wildwood, Forest River sure designed it to feel more like home than wilderness. Every detail inside and out has been crafted for comfort, functionality, and just a sense of modern style. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-timer chasing sunsets, the Wildwood lineup blends smart design with residential flair. Let's head inside and see what makes this travel trailer so impressive, and then we'll talk a little bit about construction and towing. Stepping into the living area, you're hit with that instant wow factor. The space just feels bright, open, and modern with clean lines and upscale finishes that rival high-end apartments. If you take a look up, you may notice the 4K blade lighting system stretching across the ceiling. It's sleek, adjustable, and complete with a dimmer switch for setting the mood. Many Wildwood models even include a 30-inch electric fireplace, turning your living area into the perfect evening retreat. Comfort is front and center with the Versa Lounge, a flexible setup that can transform from a dinette chase into a sleeping space. Now, some models swap that for a flip-up mattress bunk with a built-in desk, while others include a super sectional or booth-style dinette. Whatever your configuration, the emphasis is on versatility and relaxation. The 13,500 BTU AC comes standard, but if you step up to the larger Wildwood models, you can upgrade to a 15,000 BTU unit and even add a second AC in the bedroom thanks to the pre-wired and braced 50 amp service. Designer details are everywhere. The arched radius ceiling panels, curtain rods with textured roller shades, and large panoramic windows that make the space feel huge. Beneath your feet, marine-grade flooring keeps things durable and easy to clean. There's no carpet anywhere. And storage is another major win. The designers carved out hidden compartments beneath sofas, beds, and cabinetry. It's what they call stow-and-go storage, and it helps maximize every inch of usable space. And since Wildwood slide-outs are flush floor designs, you can say goodbye to stub toes. A quick detour before the kitchen. Forest River recently introduced the Wildwood Zen Series. It's a new set of floor plans built around creativity and calm. Think hidden bunkhouses, secret pantries, concealed TVs, and even retractable tables, all designed to make the most out of your living space without clutter. These layouts bring in LED strip lighting that runs front to back, giving the entire trailer a clean, ambient glow that feels probably more spa, I would say, than campground. Now, into the kitchen, and wow, this is where Wildwood really flexes. The expanded kitchen window brings in natural light and lets you enjoy the view while you cook, while the solid surface countertop and full-height designer backsplash make the space pop. The deep single-bowl undermount sink features a roll-up stainless steel cover and a high-rise pull-out faucet, making prep and cleanup absolutely effortless. Cooking appliances are top-notch too. You get a Versa range with a 3-burner cooktop, oven, and a residential microwave, which is sometimes hidden behind some custom cabinetry. Many floor plans add thoughtful touches like a built-in spice rack, a fold-out trash can, and a pop-up power station with USB ports and a wireless charger. Storage stays practical with TFL cabinet doors, heavy-duty hinges, and full extension drawers that can handle real-world use. And when it comes to refrigeration, you'll find a large 11 cubic foot fridge. Heading into the bedroom, the innovation continues. The VersaTilt Custom King bed lets you adjust your lounging angle, perfect for late night reading, scrolling, or movie marathons. There's even a built-in laundry hamper and a pet step for your furry companion. The redesigned bedroom layout adds dual shirt closets and overhead storage with shelving on both sides of the bed. And if you're going big, washer and dryer prep is available on the 50 amp models. The bathroom is equally upscale, starting with a backlit arched mirror that feels straight out of a boutique hotel. The residential style vanity and modern faucet pair beautifully with the shower surround, which includes built-in shelving and, in some floor plans, even a bench seat. The upgraded shower head, often a rain-style model with a handheld wand, makes showering genuinely enjoyable. And with a 60,000 BTU on-demand tankless water heater, you'll have endless hot water as long as you're hooked up to city supply. Enhanced floating shelves and a towel rack add those little final finishing touches in the bathroom. Now outside, the Wildwood continues to impress. The refreshed retro metal exterior design looks sharp and modern, complemented by a large power awning with LED blade lighting and optional slide-out toppers for added protection. The MORride step above triple steps provide a stable entry, while the power tongue jack and quick drop stabilizer jacks, or optional power stabilizer jacks, make setup fast and frustration-free. You'll find pass-through storage with large baggage doors for all your gear, plus exterior accent lighting and even an outdoor TV bracket for movie nights under the awning. Every model includes an exterior shower, nitrogen-filled tires, and the optional spare tire with carrier. The Wildwood is also prepped for a backup camera, roof ladder, and roof-mounted solar. Now, you choose the 200-watt solar panel with a 30-amp controller, or go for the Platinum package to get a smooth fiberglass exterior and solar power built right in. Underneath it all, the Wildwood's construction sets it apart. You're getting a cambered chassis with a powder-coated I-beam frame, 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood floor decking, and 2x3 floor joists spaced every 12 inches. The slide-out beams are made from 13-ply cross micro-laminated lumber, ensuring long-term durability. The front cap features a smooth aluminum aerodynamic profile, while below, the heated and enclosed accessibility system protects your plumbing and holding tanks from the elements. Plus, it's modular, so you can access it easily when needed. Up top, the 5-inch bowed truss roof rafters and tough flex PVC roof membrane make the roof fully walkable and built to last. Okay, finally, let's talk towing. The Wildwood lineup spans a wide range of sizes, from 27 feet to 39 feet in length, with dry weights between 59 and 9,700 pounds. That means your tow vehicle choice really matters. For lighter models, a mid-sized truck like the Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, or GMC Canyon can probably get the job done. If you're moving up into the heavier Wildwoods, you'll want a full-size truck, like a Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado 1500, or honestly, even the Rivian R1T. SUVs like the Nissan Armada or Dodge Durango can handle some of the smaller models, but once you're above 7,000 pounds, you'll want the power and stability of a proper pickup. Now, if you're unsure about your vehicle's towing capacity, you can always check your owner's manual, or you can simply drop by a Camping World, where the team can help you figure it out and maybe even show you a Forest River Wildwood in person. Beautifully designed, thoughtfully constructed, and packed with comfort-driven features, the Forest River Wildwood isn't just another travel trailer. It's a stylish home on wheels, built for travelers who refuse to rough it. Whether you're chasing adventure or just a good night's sleep under the stars, Wildwood delivers it all.